Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you love lofi vibes and you want to create your own lo-fi style animation using Leonardo AI, here is a step-by-step guide that is simple and beginner friendly. So first of all, you need to come on leonardo.ai and then log in into your account. Then click on the launch app option and you will be landed on this page. Now over here, click on the image option and then you will be landed on this image section where this is the prompt section where you will have to provide a prompt. So your prompt can be anything. For example, I write this prompt that is lo-fi girl studying at a desk, cozy room, soft lighting, animated style. So you can tweak the prompt for different moods like a rainy window, nighttime city, or even a pet sleeping nearby. Now you need to choose an animation model or style. So if it is available, you need to go to the model and the preset option, and from here you can select motion. So let's say I'm going to select this one. So after selecting it, you need to just simply click on this generate button and wait for Leonardo AI to generate the animated lo-fi scenes for you. So to turn the scenes into the full animation, you can export it and use a tool like Runway ML, Caber or CapCut to animate the subtle movements like flickering the light or moving the clouds. So this is how you can generate lo-fi style images with the help of Leonardo AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.